If you've ever wondered how much your Steam account is worth, this video is for you. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your Steam account value quickly and for free using SteamDB Calculator. This is a super useful method if you want to check your game library value, see your current account worth estimate, and get a better idea of how much you've spent on Steam over time. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to the SteamDB Calculator website. SteamDB is a trusted third-party tool that can estimate the value of your Steam account by analyzing your game library and playtime data. Once the page loads, you may be asked to log into your Steam account. If that happens, go ahead and sign in so the site can access the public information it needs to calculate your account value. Now, before you continue, there is one very important thing to know. Your Steam profile may need to be set to public for the calculator to read your game details properly. If your profile is private, the tool may not be able to show all the information. So if you run into that issue, open Steam, go to your profile, and make sure your profile details and game library visibility are set correctly. Next, you need to copy your Steam profile link. To do that, open Steam, go to your profile page, and copy the URL from your profile. This is the link that identifies your Steam account. Once you have it copied, return to the SteamDB Calculator page. Now paste your Steam profile link into the search box on the calculator page. After that, press enter or click the search button if one appears. SteamDB will begin scanning your account and pulling the available data from your profile. After a few moments, the page will display your Steam account information. You'll usually see your account game value, your current value, hours played, game count, and different account worth estimates. This gives you a really good overview of your library and how much value your account has collected over time. If you want to compare your account value with friends or just track how your library has grown, this is a great tool to use. It's especially useful for gamers who have been building their collection for years and want a quick estimate without manually checking every game. Take a moment to review the results carefully. You can look at the total number of games you own, how many hours you've played, and the estimated worth of your Steam account based on current pricing. Keep in mind that these numbers are estimates, so they're meant to give you a general idea rather than an exact resale value. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to view your Steam account value using SteamDB Calculator. It's fast, free, and incredibly easy to use once your profile is set up properly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.